Hello guys, so today we bought a lot of cards. So we're opening Breakpoint, 2 Sword and Shields, and 4 Vivid Voltage. Okay, so if you didn't notice, they're all part of the tins. So yes, I bought tins again because it's very addicting. Nakaka-addict talaga siya guys, lalo na yung Vivid Voltage. So from now on, until maubos yun na ang bibilin ko. Okay. 1, 2, 3. God, I miss opening. I think the last time I opened was Feb pa ata. Let me just smell the cards. Ang bango. Pokemon Catcher, Purugly, Bayleaf, Kricketot, Drowsy, Clefairy, Froakie, Chikorita, Reverse Skrelp, and the Trevenant. Non-holo. Okay. I forgot, I was supposed to open Sword and Shield first, but it is what it is. Ooh, a white pack. 1, 2, 3. Tierno, Doublade, KD, Shinx, Spritzy, Glameow, Ducklet, Timpole, Staryu Reverse, and a Holo. Okay. Trash. Then let's go here. So wala pa ako nabubunot na maganda sa Sword and Shield. So I hope this changes. And I also hope I can open it without using scissors. Okay, never mind. I don't wanna waste my time. Off the bat, we got a Rhyhorn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, if you haven't noticed, my Pikachu and my Vivid Voltage box, this one is so cute. Pero hindi siya holo, pero okay lang. Torque Energy, Energy Search, Quick Ball, Galvantula, Rhyhorn, Rookie D, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, and the Lapras non-holo. Okay, so our streak with not getting anything good for Sword and Shield continues. So far guys, wala pa tayo nakakuha sa Sword and Shield. Out of the 5 tin cans I've opened, wala pa rin ako nakakuha maganda dito. But I will not give up. Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Minchino, shout out Chino Aison. Shout out again to Chino Aison, Frogunk, Vulpix, and a Snorlax non-holo. Okay, wala talaga. But it doesn't matter because the big boys are here. This is what matters. If we don't get anything good here, din ako malulungkot. Oops. One, 2, 3, 4. I hope Vivid Voltage won't let us down. Mightyena, Beauty, Stone Energy, Arrokuda, Seedot, Fanfi, Shuppet, Poochyena. I think I see something in the back. Sana. Amazing! Another Pikachu! Join the family, brother. Let me sleeve you up. And we got another Pikachu. Okay, I like it. Stay there, my friend. Okay. So also, wala pa akong nakukuhang amazing rare sa kahit anong Vivid Voltage na nabuksan ko ever since Christmas. Ah, shit. I forgot, but it's a good sign. Means last card's good, supposedly. Okay, Cramorant, Jamarant, Kakuna, Chichester, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismore, Execute, Amazing Rare. Fuck. And an Edge Slash. Okay, bumabawi si Vivid Voltage. Oops, my bad. Bumabawi si Vivid Voltage. Let's go, brother. So, we got 2 hits. One, two, three, 4. Energy, Aromatic Energy, Mightyena, Pincherchino, Voltor, Brockruff, Talo, Yanma, Wooper, Amazing Rare. And the Flareon non-holo. Okay. And our last, please naman, Pikachu. Give me a full art for a VMAX. Ay, kinakabahan na ako. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Lightning Energy. Okay, for this one, we'll go slow since last pack. Oh, okay. Chichester Bath. Hitmontop. Swoobat. Drillbur. Oh, look at that. It's Clay. Clay Thompson. Oshawott. Duskull. Ferroseed. Riolu, Amazing Rare. Hindi talaga. Ayaw talaga ako bigyan ng Oh! Alugia! Holo. Okay, not bad. Pwede na. Okay, it wasn't what I expected. I mean, I was hoping we'd get the full art or something better. But, okay, I'm not complaining. That's it.